Have you ever felt like your feedback missed the mark? You're not alone. Many managers struggle with vague or emotionally charged feedback, leading to confusion and defensiveness. Let's explore why this happens and how we can change it. Poor feedback can derail team dynamics, causing misunderstandings and resistance. But there's hope. Introducing the AID model. This is a structured approach to delivering clear, actionable feedback that fosters growth and understanding. AID stands for Action, Impact, Direction. This model helps you focus on observable behaviors, explain their consequences, and set clear expectations moving forward. It's versatile, working for both corrective and positive feedback. Imagine guiding your team with clarity and purpose. The AID model empowers you to do just that, ensuring your feedback is both constructive and motivating. Let's dive deeper into each component. Start with action. Describe what you observed without assumptions or judgment. Instead of saying, "You're disorganized," say, "You submitted the report after the agreed deadline." This keeps feedback objective and focused on what actually happened, rather than what you feel about it. Also, remember to avoid personality judgments. They cloud the message and can lead to defensiveness. Stick to facts and observations to maintain clarity and respect. Next, explain the impact. How did the action affect the team or project? For instance, the late report delayed the client presentation. Highlighting consequences fosters understanding and accountability. By illustrating the broader impact, you help team members see the ripple effects of their actions, encouraging them to consider the bigger picture in future decisions. Finally, set a direction for future behavior. Offer specific alternatives or expectations. For example, flag potential delays early to adjust plans. This creates a path forward with actionable steps. Clear expectations guide team members towards desired behaviors, reducing ambiguity and enhancing performance. It's not about making someone feel bad, it is about building a roadmap for success in the future. Tone matters. Avoid sarcasm and frustration. Use "I saw" statements to ground feedback in observation. Contrast this with vague emotional statements that can derail the message. Even the best feedback structure falters with poor delivery. Maintain a respectful tone to ensure your message is received positively and constructively. Let's practice. Think of a recent situation and craft feedback using the AID model. Describe the action, explain the impact, and suggest the desired outcome. Regular practice builds confidence. Recap: the AID model is your go-to for effective feedback. By focusing on action, impact, and future direction, you ensure your feedback is clear, constructive, and actionable. By mastering the AID model, you'll transform your feedback approach, fostering a culture of growth and accountability. Ready to take the next step? Explore TalentLab for more resources and personalized sessions. Let's refine your feedback skills together. Book a live session with a talent advisor today and feedback with confidence.